Hi, this is LENNUX and welcome back to my channel. My glasses are probably a little bit smudgy, but it's all good. So it's a little hot out here, but we are looking at the fabulous Riverwalk, and right here we have the outdoor part of the bar and kitchen. And we're just walking by, enjoying the whole scenery. Look at this beautiful view. So this isn't exactly a part of downtown, but this is off of Jones. And then if you look over to the left, we got the San Antonio Museum. And we are going to continue on our walk. Follow me. Just don't look up. Don't look up. Now either you can go to the mainland, or you can see the other fancy, beautiful homes, which a lot of these homes over here have nice little restaurants, very easily to access. And I do not own any rights to the music that was playing in the background. I don't know what it was. So I hope I don't get hit with a copyright. But look at this. And we're not even all the way into downtown yet. We're not even into tourist city. This is just for the locals. Well, I can't even say that. I thought you didn't hear that. But oh well, you did. So we're gonna continue on our nice, wonderful little walk. And actually, we're both discovering stuff at the same time. So just remember, this is amazing and exciting for both of us. Well, for all of us, all 60, 70,000 people who are watching right now. So look at the beautiful, beautiful homes. Now these are apartments, condominiums, and yeah. Yes. Now these are restaurants that have access to the Riverwalk. And look at those Victorian homes out there. Oh, beautiful. Now we're gonna get a bit of a glare. Just don't mind that. It is just wonderful. Wonderful. I know I turned my back to the camera, forgive me. So we're gonna get out of the sun. We're trying to rush this over here. Okay. Out of the light, out of the light, out of the light. Okay, now we have the back of more restaurants. So this is Jones and Bria. And to the drinkers, you know, I don't drink, but that don't mean you do. Or that don't mean you don't. So we got Bud Light over here. And of course you can access the street from the Riverwalk right here. You can access it from over there. And if you're on the other side, you can access it from there, there, and there. So how awesome is that? You get to enjoy underneath the ground and above the ground. And it isn't like you're going through like a sewer. It ain't like you're going through like the subway or anything like that. Nothing against that, you know. A lot of people enjoy doing that. I've never been on a subway, but I think I would have enjoyed it. If it was me, I would live to see that adventure and that moment. I can't wait for that opportunity. But for now, we're taking you on an adventure. And so this is what you get to see. So just everyone's just having so much fun. Oh wait, no, never mind, they're in the pool. They're in the pool. Never mind. That ain't the restaurant, that's the pool. Oh my gosh. That's the pool. That's the pool. That's the pool. Forgive me, we wasn't supposed to, I don't know about that, but still, whatever. Anyways, so, whatever. Anyways, as we keep going, so you see, like, there's that many people in the pool. Sometimes, you know, like, too many people, it kind of gets a little too cluttered, and then you're like, no, I don't even want to go in there. No.